No changes today. I kind of expected this wooden gate or wooden fence, whatever you want to call it, it's going to be painted black. Up to date, up to now, fences have been placed the very next day. They're painted black. Maybe next week. But like I said yesterday, they removed the metal part from the fence. No changes at all. I know there are changes. This part of the fence is up now. There's witches' hats here yesterday and plastic bollards, but now this fence is up. And maybe tomorrow, maybe next week it'll be painted black. Some materials inside, but no. Alright, short video today. Thanks for watching.